Where are you? Do you know where you are? Oh, hi, Lincoln.
Oh, that's a seagull.
Hi, Lincoln. How's it going?
Yeah, there's lots of seagulls.
In there.
Where are you going?
In there.
You want to go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take a walk?
Meow.
Okay. Skylar, that's pretty far out. Is it going to come back?